Having a job that you love doing is important to me. People like to say if you work in a job you love to do, it never feels like work. Speaking to college students, we all want to have a successful career in whatever it is we are studying for. We all have that dream job that we hope to achieve someday. As a college student, I am studying and working hard on being able to someday reach the job I want, and I have also done extensive research on this. There's changes in technology that changes the way healthcare is done. I want to be able to work at Universal Health Services Inc. as a electronic medical record specialist. It's a combination of what I would like to do and what it is I'm studying for. It is listed as one of the most admired in the Fortune 500. It has several ambulatory care facilities across the nation, and it prides itself on providing superior patient care. With the changes in technology comes the addition to jobs that are needed and the way things are done now. The HIPAA Act, or Health Insurance um, Portability and Accountability Act, which is an act that was passed in 1996, is the United States legislation that provides data privacy and security provisions for safeguarding medical information, according to Rose. That is how electronic medical records are now being used in healthcare companies in order to have an easier access to the patient's information. Universal Health Services is a company that is implementing the EMR into its systems. Universal Health Services Inc. is part of the Fortune 500 companies that has been around for 38 years, so it has seen a lot of changes. It is one of the nation's largest and most respected healthcare management companies. It has been listed as number 324 on the Fortune 500 list. It operates through its subsidiaries of acute care hospitals, behavioral health facilities, and ambulatory centers nationwide. This is according to the Joint Commissions. The Top Performer program recognizes hospitals for improving performance on evidence-based interventions that increase the chances of healthy outcomes for patients with certain conditions. So, working at Universal Healthcare Services as an EMR specialist will be something that I want to do and something I'm studying for. I'm interested in working um, with them because it's a company that deals with health, which is something that I've been interested in working with, and it has IT, which is what I'm studying for. So I am currently an information systems major that sees both the technology and business side of things. So I can handle being part of a company and still work in the IT area. As an EMR specialist, I will have to disseminate communication and education around certain code upgrades and system enhancements according to the UHS Inc. Website. I need to also go live support for new providers and clinics, monitor all meaningful use dashboards for local market, and provide support to correct performances wherever necessary. Responsible for coordinating workflow changes due to EMR optimization initiatives based on certain reports and data. All that and more will be some of the things I will be responsible for if I were to work with them. In conclusion, technology is constantly changing the way healthcare is done. Universal Health Services Inc. is a well-respected Fortune 500 company that works with technology in order to provide better care for their patients. I'm a college student that is working hard on being able to gain my dream job of being an EMR specialist at a great company.